sick of working so much as long in a job? What if I tell you there is a system where you can make money and make stable income every month? In this video, I'm exposed the $1 million secret. Follow me and let's start the video. Before we begin, let's go over the key condition for making Fibonacci level work effectively. First, set your expiry time to 1 minute, then switch to the 1 minute time frame. Next, make sure the chart shows a clear trend with a pullback. Like mine here, only when all conditions are met should you apply Fibonacci level. This tool is a curve connecting 2 points on the chart. Start by anchoring the left point at least last price, however the trend begin. Easy, right? The right point to the highest peak where the currency pair reversed and started dropping. Extend the Fibonacci level slightly forward. This reveals potential reversal zone, giving you a powerful edge for timing your trades. I will be placing trade live and breaking them down so you can see exactly how this works. An upward trend is called bullish trend, where the price hit resistance and reversed. First, notice how the candle interact with the Fibonacci zone. There clearly a pattern here, but that alone isn't enough to enter a trade. The key is predicting where the price will bounce. That's exactly what I teach you in this video. Right now we'll see a strong pullback upward from a key Fibonacci level, even though the initial drop looked aggressive. The final second are counting down. This is perfect entry point, take note. Perfect first profit lock in. Now moving to the next trade. Clearly my next contract will be a short position. We need to wait for a green candle to lose momentum. You will see it when a wick forms on top. The lower the wick, the strongest the signal. I think now is the right time to enter, through it carries some risk. The ideal moments to open a position is when price touches the Fibonacci line itself. However, the reaction can handle earlier. You will recognize it by how the price segment form a clear rejection. The level is now pushing through the asset and there is no escaping it. Its strength is evident from the upper wicks on past candles. Every impulse confirms that market participants are actively selling in this zone. I acted too soon this time, opened my trade early. I suspect you might make the same mistake. It happens. In such cases, hedge with double the contracts to offset potential losses. The downward reaction is also fueled by the fact that past red candles and large bodies, their high creates selling pressure on the price segment. Let's be real. Fibonacci isn't just another complicated tool. It's either your golden ticket to consistent profit or a fast way to lose money and sanity if you don't master it properly. And trust me, I burned countless days figuring it out, but the payoff absolutely worth it. Master this and profits will start following straight into your account. In my Telegram channel, I break every down step-by-step strategies that have already helped 1,000 trades with confidence and consistency. These trades don't just understand the market, they use it to make the real money. Straight talk, if you are okay missing out, don't bother subscribing. But if you are ready to act while others hesitate, this channel is for you. You will find verified results such as real traders, testimonials, and stats that prove that possibly. Don't overthink it. Someone already chasing in on what you are missing, and I regularly post live signals. The exact trade I am talking. Tap the link in the description to join. Now back to the trading. Re-entering the long from the lower Fibonacci line, it's acting as support with price bouncing upward. Key reminder, always draw fibs along the trends, marketing precise highs, lows, but remember these levels aren't magic in high volatility. The market can smash right through them. Let's switch to another instrument to see the difference. I am choosing EUR GPV, especially because it's a low volatile pair. The candles are moving smoothly without sharp spikes, and the kind of trading is perfect for the strategy. The final second, and yes, it's profit. The support level looks solid, and if the candle approaches it again, I will open a long position. The logic is simple. If the price fall to break through support the first time and couldn't do it second time either, there is a high profitability the third attempt will also fall. Perfect. The ideal time to open a contract. If we go back to the chart and look how the price reacted to this area before, we can see there are always a strong upward bounce from it. This is confirmed by the shadow under the candles. The price has already bounced 3 times. This indicates that market participants are showing increased buying activities in this range. Right now we are seeing the same reaction, and Fibonacci is perfectly indicating where to open trade. This tool is based on golden ratio numbers, and exactly that line I am trading from has the strongest significance. But I won't overload you with theory. The main focus of this video is practice. If you want to understand more deeply and actually learn how to earn, all the information is in my Telegram channel. Another profitable trade. Let's make trading more interesting. I will switch to another currency pair and show what other important conditions need to be considered. We could trade here much longer, and perhaps after I stop recording, I will back to earn more. And what will the market give us right now? Excellent. Already on the first quote, I see good conditions for building Fibonacci level. Here everything in reverse. I place the left point at the top and the right point at the bottom because trend is decreasing, meaning it's bearish. If the price is falling, we should draw the level from top to bottom. It's really that simple. Compare the lower area with the price lows and let's start trading. I will now open long contract targeting the golden ratio. Look at the chart. The movement structure is constantly changing. The trend overcame a strong decline, then bounced upward and shifted into sideways movements. Now it has moved downward again and mostly has come under the influence of support, from which a reversal may form. Of course, it's better to open contract right from the line, but I rushed a bit. No big deals, I just closed the potential losing trades. Don't forget to watch the shadow under the candles. The lower they are, the stronger the upward bounce could be. Right now we can see how the price is reacting to the Fibonacci level. Everything is logical and cyclical, precisely because the currency pair has approached the golden ratio. That's the line above the others, highlighted more prominently because its value is a key in Fibonacci. The golden ratio is specially proportion that can be expressed as the number 1.6818. It's found everywhere in nature, architecture, art, and financial market. In trading, Fibonacci levels are built based on these proportions. Key zones such as 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6% helps identify potential price retracement or reversal points. Also, I monitor candle closing times. They are displayed right here. So, the golden ratio line is the most important. Price most often reverse from it because this level accounts for the market's natural patterns. This is where the strongest reversal usually occurs as many traders and algorithms focus on this level. Simply put, when the price reaches this line, there is a higher potentiality that the trend will reverse because this is where the balance between buyer and seller comes into the play. Great, I will think we wrap it up where explain the most essential points. If anyone remains unclear, write your question in the comment. I will answer everybody. You will see it with your own eyes. Fibonacci is not just a line on a chart. It's the key to stop losing money and start earning. There is a one question left. Will you use this or will you remain as yesterday? In my Telegram channel, I share breakdown trading strategies in details, providing ready entry points. And of course, like, share, comment to my YouTube channel and you will see the updates of each video which I am telling to you. See you in the next video and I will see you there.